Hey everyone, Minnie's Handbags here and welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here or returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. It's absolutely free to you. Guys, we are super close to 1,000 subscribers, and of course once we hit our 1K, your girl is going to be doing a giveaway, y'all, and I am super excited. Now today's video is going to be a Dooney and Bourke unboxing, y'all. This is a bag that I did pick up during the Dooney and Bourke Christmas sale that they had going on recently. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the unboxing up for you guys, and then I'll come back and share the bag in detail with you guys. All right, guys, so here it is. Your girl picked up a Florentine Dooney and Bourke satchel, y'all. Now, here's the kicker with this beautiful bag. I picked it up in a size 1 that I don't have already in my collection, plus a color that you guys know I have been screaming at you guys that your girl does not feel comfortable with. But I promised myself going into 2026 that I was going to get out of my comfort zone when it came to my handbag collection and kind of venture out when it comes to certain shades of color. Now, with that being said, your girl picked up a mini Florentine satchel in the color ecru, y'all. I said it. I did it, y'all. I did it. Okay, now don't get me wrong, taking it out the bag, out the box and looking at it, your girl was like, oh, what did I just do, y'all? But I'm gonna get through it, y'all. I'm gonna get through it. Okay, so this one is 5 of 25. So that is what it says, mini Florentine satchel in the color ecru. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out so that you guys can see it better. All right, and there it is, 5 of 25, and the ship was 7/14/25. So I guess this was shipped out in July. And here is what she looks like up close, y'all. Now this is not quite what I expected. I was kind of looking for a white bag. That's what I thought it was gonna be. But when I actually looked at the mixture to create the ecru color, I was like, okay, I could do this, because this is like a off white or really light gray color. That's what it looks like to me. But yeah, I am super excited to have this beautiful bag in my collection. Now the mini size is new to me, so I am going to play around with it, see what all fits and doesn't fit in here, or if I'm going to have to downsize in order to fit all of my everyday essentials in here. So that's going to be really fun to do, guys. And of course, once I move into this beautiful bag, you guys know I'll share the what's in my bag with you guys. Now let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into this bag and check out all of the beautiful features. Now, like the regular size, this one does have the buckle detailing on the front as well as the bottom, and it does have 4 feet. All the hardware is in gold. You also get the buckle detailing on the back of this bag as well too. And then of course you do get your beautiful tassels on here as well. So let me go ahead and take the wrapping off of the tassel so you can see that as well too. And this one does have the suede underneath the tassels as well, so that you guys can see that. I just love how Dooney pays attention to details when it comes to their bags. Now, I may be a little biased, y'all, but this is my favorite silhouette from Dooney and Bourke. If I had to pick one bag out my entire collection and that would be all I could ever buy, this would be my pick right here. It would be their Florentine satchels because they are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Now the handles on here are in that whip stitching with that brown timoro against this ecru. Just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So, 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 so pretty. So let's go ahead and take a peek in the inside. Now, as you guys can see, it does have that red zipper tape on there. You can see a little bit of that green suede peeking out. It does have the braided zipper pull as well. All right, guys, now there goes that green suede. I absolutely love the green suede up against the red lining in the inside. Now, this bag does come with a key leash, and then this is the crossbody as well too. And this is the 2-part. So there it is right there. It's not the 3-part. So I'll probably have to, because the width on this looks a little bit smaller than it does on the regular and the large one that I have. So hopefully when I feed it through the D-ring on the side to make it into a short shoulder, it'll actually go through without me having to struggle. All right, so this is what it's looking like in the interior. You do get a back zip and slip. It also comes with the Dooney and Bourke leather patch on the back wall, or nameplate I should say. All right, so on the front you do get one large slip pocket as well too. So I am super excited to see what all fits inside of this mini satchel. And of course you do get that beautiful Dooney and Bourke smile with this bag as well too. Now let's go over the measurements for this bag really quickly. Now, this bag is still currently available on the Dooney.com site on sale for $2.99, and that is in the mini size. And then as far as the measurements goes, the height of the bag is 6.25 inches. The length of the bag is 11.25. And then the depth of the bag is 4 inches. So not bad. I'm pretty sure just from the measurements, I should be able to fit all of my items into this bag. Now, the handle drop length on the bag is 4 inches. So you can definitely put this on your wrist or the crook of your arm with no issues. And then, of course, the adjustable detachable shoulder strap is 19 inches in length, guys. Okay, so absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited to have this bag in my collection, y'all, because like I said before, this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. For me, I absolutely love the regular and the large size. The Florentine or pebbled leather from Dooney and Bourke, and the large, of course, is my favorite size. So when I was looking at picking up a satchel during the Christmas sale, I wasn't sure what size I wanted, but I knew I didn't want to pick up a regular or a large because I already have a few of those in my collection. So I did want to try a different size. And I'm glad that I went with the mini first, because I could definitely see me picking up a few more of the mini in different colors as well too. But that is my goal going into 2026 for my handbag collection, is to pick up eventually all of the sizes for the Florentine satchel, and then of course getting different colors that I'm not quite comfortable yet in the smaller sizes instead of in the regular and the large size. All right, guys, so let me know down below if you guys were able to pick up any of the satchels that were on sale during the Black Friday and Christmas holiday season, and if you did, what colors did you pick up? And by any chance, did you pick up a color or size that you may not be that either may not be in your collection or you may not be 100% comfortable with? Let me know down in the comments, okay? And please make sure, guys, to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're new here, because once we hit 1K, your girl is going to be doing a giveaway. And don't forget to share this video as well as like and click that bell. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.